Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3. In this video, we are going to explain about three material. The first one is lexeme. The second one are regular and irregular, and the last is inflection. So, a lexeme is an abstract unit of morphological analysis in linguistics that roughly corresponds to a set forms taken by a single word. For example, run, runs, ran, and running are from the same lexeme, conventionally written as run.
And the next difference between lexeme and morpheme. Lexeme refers to a single word and all of its forms. For example, the word go in English has the form go, goes, went, and going. All these words are from the same lexeme go. Morpheme refers to the smallest unit of meaning. A word can be broken down in form. For example, the word cats. This can be broken down into cats, carries the meaning of plural.
Well, I'm gonna explain regular inflection. Regular inflection is the way to change the word term to reflect the things like tenses, gender, and plural, and usually to govern by consistent and predicate rule to make a sentence. And for example, usually we create the past simple tense of the verb by add, and d, and which also function as the verb past participant, and we normally create plural by add else or es to the end of noun, like in the word dogs, cats, and watch. There are else. Thank you.
One it's about irregular inflections. There are many instances in which the way a word is inflected doesn't seem to follow any rules or conventions at all. So there are some kinds of irregular inflections. First, it's about irregular plural. It's about noun. So it's such as the word woman becomes women. And then the second one, it's about irregular adjectives. It's related with comparative and superlative degree. Example, like adjective good becomes better and best. And the third, it's about irregular adverbs, such as the word straight and its irregular verb just still straight, because it doesn't it's uncommonly to add ly at the ending of straight. And the last, it's about irregular verbs, so it's related with past simple tense and past participle. Example, like word give, it becomes gave and given. So that's all for the material. The next material is about noun forms that will be addressed by Patma and Inang.
So, in the slide, you can see the definition of nouns. A noun is a type of word which refers to a person, place, or thing. And nouns can be conjugate in either singular or plural form. And the differences of singular and plural nouns is singular nouns refers to just one person, place, or thing. For example, it's like a book, a hospital, and etc. And a plural nouns refers to multiple persons, places, or things. Example of plural nouns is like many peoples and etc. And for specific example, we'll explain of my friends.
Now, I will tell you the example of form of nouns. There are three rules of nouns. The first rule is added by the suffix s. For example, girl to girls. Second rule is added by the suffix es when a noun ends with s, o, ss, sh, and etc. For example, fox to foxes or potato to potatoes. And the last rule is added by the suffix es when a noun ends with a consonant and letter y. Letter y changed to I and added by suffix es, for example, baby to babies. Well, that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.